Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this Moto G Stylus 2022. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Do not adjust your screens. That is the Moto G Stylus 2022. A lot of people are going to question why I decided to pick this up. I like Moto phones. I like trying them out. They make actually great phones. This one may be priced a little bit too high with the competition around it. But if you're not looking to spend $1,200 or $1,300 maybe on the S22 Ultra, this thing does have a stylus, so we'll get into it. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, maybe give you my first impressions of it, go over the specs, and let's see what you get in the box. You can pick up this phone from Amazon for $299 and also Moto.com for $200, $299. So I will have the links in the description. So is this phone high end? No, it's not, but it does have a stylus. Moto has a simple skin over Android, pretty much stock Android, and it has some great features on their phones. Nice little presentation from them. Look at that. Let's get into it. I can't even find an unboxing knife, but who needs an unboxing knife? It's 2022. You just peel the sticker off. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, got a little weight to it. Let's see what else you get in the box. Uh-oh, look at that. Charging brick. You actually get a charging brick on here. That's actually pretty cool. And you get the charging cable. And then here, you probably got some books. Some slim card slot and some books. But guys don't really read the books, but you know. Let me put all this back, because y'all didn't come here for what's really in the box. Y'all came here for the phone. Put that there. Let this thing troll me on camera. As you can tell, I got the blue. Ooh. Look at that plastic back. I mean, it's shiny though. That is not a fingerprint scanner. It's kind of like underneath it though. The fingerprint scanner is on the side. Let's see if it has any power. All right, so while it's powering up, let's go over the specs really quick. So in front, right there, you do have a 6.8 inch full HD panel. It's an LCD panel, so yeah, I know. A lot of people are gonna be turned off because it's an LCD panel. But the panel doesn't look bad by what I'm looking at so far, but it is an LCD panel, so it won't get as bright in the sun, and the colors might be a little bit off a little bit, but we'll definitely test it out. I'll let y'all know. But it is a 90 hertz refresh rate. The resolution is 1080 by 2460. All right, so the next thing I want to go over is the processor. I don't know why Motorola decided to go with the MediaTek processor, but they put the Helio G88 processor in here. Is it any good? We'll definitely find out. I might do some heavy gaming on here to see what this processor can actually handle. Android 11. Yeah, I know I put what by that too. Like, what? Why not Android 12 out the box? I don't understand. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It does have expandable memory on here. It does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So the battery life on this thing, you should probably get about 2 days of battery life using this phone, which is not bad. So it has a USB Type-C charging port. Look, let's check out the stylus too. Bam. All right. Then on the back, let's go over the cameras too. Look at that camera though. You have a 50 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and also a 2 megapixel depth sensor on there. The front camera, which is there, you have a 16 megapixel front camera. Now the rear cameras can shoot in 1080p at 1630. The front will do 1080p at 30. So no 4K shooting. So if you're into 4K, this phone is definitely not for you to pick up. It doesn't have wireless charging. It's not water resistant. Yes, the back is plastic. The whole frame is plastic. But let's check out the phone itself. Like I said, the charger, that is a headphone jack. The speaker up there. Nothing on this side except for the SIM card slot. At the top, you have the microphone, and then on the right hand side you have the Vine rockers, and then also the fingerprint scanner and the power button built into one. So what I'm gonna do now is pause the video. Let me go ahead and put some of my information in here and come back and give you my first impressions of it, and maybe show out the stylus too. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so I'm back. I was able to go ahead and set it up. I did put my main SIM card on here, so I'm gonna really try out this phone, come back and let y'all know how the performance is on this phone. So right now I'm using 20 gigs of storage, so I have about 100 gigs left. So 107 gigs left of the 128. I haven't downloaded any of my apps on here, but look at it, it has a little stylus, so that pops up if I want to add a note. Let me go back here. Hopefully my camera can focus. I hit the little plus sign. You can add a note. Like Forbes is cool. So that's pretty cool too. If I want to save it, I can save it, delete it, and it works like that. Now, does it come with any Bluetooth capabilities? No, it's just a stylus. It actually works pretty good though. I will definitely come back and test that out more too. Y'all let me know what other videos y'all want to see. I want to test out the battery life to see what type of battery life I'm gonna get. I'm gonna do a camera test just to test out the cameras. Y'all let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see on this phone. I will try to make them. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the latest tech. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day. Moto G Stylus for the win. Bam.